We're gonna make a quick alkaline Burro Bananas smoothie with cacao. And so go ahead and take the amount of water you want to use. We're gonna make our hempseed milk first. Very quick and easy to make. This is about 2 cups. I get these hemp seeds organic at Sprouts. If you don't have a Sprouts, check your other stores like Whole Foods and those natural organic stores, or even farmers markets. Occasionally different farmers or organizations will have hemp seeds. So quick and easy plant-based milk that is dairy free. Let's get it. I'm gonna do about 2 tablespoons healthy. Let's go. Vibrancy. A little more. Typically I add sea moss gel, but I'm making some today. Cacao nibs. And I already had some burro bananas that I chopped up and froze. So let's do this milk first. Good enough, because it's going to be able to blend some more once I throw in the bananas, the burro bananas, as well as the cacao nibs. So I'm going to do that next. And then I'm also going to add in a little bit of sweetener for my option for this sweetener. And this drink is going to be agave syrup. Typically I'll use either agave syrup, dates, or coconut sugar, but I'm feeling some agave, so we're going to do that. And that's a natural nectar that is extracted from a cactus, the agave cactus. So a little bit of plant facts for you. I'm also feeling some shredded coconut flakes. So these natural organic flakes I found at my local dollar store, 99 only. And then this is also from Sprouts. Shout out to Sprouts. Organic blue agave raw nectar. Far better than sugar cane. Like that white sugar, get rid of it. Get this or coconut sugar. Oh, you're gonna be in the game. Can guarantee. Alright, now we're gonna throw in all our bananas. Ooh, they smell so good. Good thing. Have that. Honestly, want to throw all of this in there, but I think I'm just gonna do that much. See what that looks like. You know what? There's not much in there. Let's just throw it all in there. Good things. Vibrancy. All natural coconut. Alright. Alkaline me, please. Again, this is my Burro Banana Cacao smoothie. I'm also making it a little more liquidy because I want it in like a drink form. So yeah. Alright. That's about a tablespoon. y'all. This is it. I'm telling you, I'm going to win over the children. If no one else. Alkaline me, please. Again, this is an Alkaline Burro Banana and Cacao Nib smoothie. In this case, it's more of a drink for me with shredded coconut flakes, natural, and a little bit of agave syrup from Sprouts. My Hempseeds as well from Sprouts to make the milk. That quick, that easy. Oh, so delicious. The only thing like I said is missing is my sea moss gel, and I'll be making a batch of that today. So stay tuned for a video drop coming. Okay. Help is our greatest wealth. We leave nothing behind. Yeah. Thanks. There you have it, love and vibrancy. Stay tuned for the next drop.